I am K Demag. I am a ninth grader at Golick High School, and I will be showing you how to install a Ubuntu and virtual machine so you can do hacking and other stuff on it. First, I'm going to show you some of my files just to show you some that you might want to get. I would suggest making some files like Linux and getting Ubuntu iOS and Ubuntu OS. If you can get both of those, that would make it a lot easier. So pause the video, make those real quickly, and I will show you the next steps. You how to install the virtual box, which you go to get to your virtual machine. Let's start to download. Simply all I put in was Oracle VirtualBox, and it should take you right there. Let's download. I am going to do Linux. Here we are. Linux distribution. Here we go. And I'm going to do 2.04. And now it's downloading, as you can see. Now we have the virtual machine. Now let's go to Ubuntu, which is the operating. So we're going to get download Ubuntu desktop. That's what I do. That's what I'm going to do. I'm going to download it. Alright, we are here now. We're simply going to click download, since that is the one we want to do. Make sure you do not click this one. You want to click this one, the 2404. Simply click download. I say thank you for downloading, blah 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 blah, and you start with your download. Now we're going to wait for my download to work. As you can see, my download's almost done, and we will get right into it. And it has downloaded. Perfect. Let's go to our files, hopefully that you guys made. This is going to be a lot harder. We have virtual machine, which is right here, in Ubuntu. These two right here. Now, you're going to want to open this, and we will start. Now, we're going to simply look it up. I believe this should work since you have downloaded it. We're going to open it. Yours might take a little bit longer. I am not sure. Alright. We are going to start now. So simply go to your home page if you weren't there. Click the shiny blue star. Type in your VM name. I'm going to put in my last name. For this is where the file is coming very useful. You're going to do the OS Ubuntu, just as I do. Watch me. So we're going to go to my first name, last name. You gotta find your Ubuntu or whatever you have it under. Linux. It's going to be this one, Ubuntu OS, not the iOS. The Ubuntu OS. Now, I forgot to mention this, but I will mention it now. You have your download and you have your Ubuntu. Take this and put it into your Ubuntu iOS. I have mine in there as well. Please do that. If you need time, pause the video. Back to it. You're gonna for the iOS. It's pretty obvious, but it's still annoying. OS. You're going to take this. And you're gonna click on it. Once you have that, that's the operating system. Simply go here. Make sure you have your specs and your stuff before doing this. So it may take a little bit of time, but it's worth it because you need to know those. I'll show you my specs on mine though. I will make my username. Make something like do that. Password. Make your password. Mine's going to be simple because this is not my real one. Once you have your passwords, you're going to go to your specific hardware. I am going to put in for mine, which does not apply to you. Maybe it does, maybe it doesn't. Now you have your specs in. I'm going to put this in. We're going to do 4, which may not specify to you, but it is for me. I leave that there, and we're going to finish it. Now it's going to power on. If I correctly did this, it will start to upload. Here we are. It's loading up. Sometimes it's a little bit more difficult. I'm trying to do this on my personal computer, and sometimes it doesn't work. It takes a lot of trial and error. This is on my real computer. It's probably my 30th time trying it. Hopefully this video helps you, but if it doesn't, I'm sorry. You just have to do it like what I did. Just trial and error over and over again until it works. Alright, here we go. It's preparing Ubuntu. Sometimes if it's, there's a little box down here that says install Ubuntu, just click on that. It's the same thing. This takes a little bit of time, so it's going to take a bit of time. If I were you, I would go do something else, maybe do some homework while this is loading, maybe start something, or watch a show. This takes a bit of time. Also, sometimes it freezes. Simply click this button, and then click that and click OK, then restart it, and just go back a little bit in the video until it works again. Sometimes it will work, sometimes it won't. It just depends if it's working or not. Right now it's copying my files, so I can access them on my virtual computer. So pretty much a virtual computer it believes it's a real computer. It won't. I can do what I want on it without getting a virus, because it believes it's its own computer. It has no traces back to my main computer, which I'm making this video on. If it freezes, like these little things start freezing and it's just frozen, give it maybe 5 or 10 minutes. If it doesn't work, just restart it. It's a hassle, but it's worth it. Like I said, on my computer, it freezes sometimes. It took me a lot of tries to get it correct. If you have a bigger desktop like this with a PC and everything, it's probably a lot easier. If you have a computer, I don't know, my computers maybe just might not be working for this. But I will continue to try. If you want to go hacking, I can give you, if you want to hack, there is something called Hack the Box. Great for this. There's beginner or experienced. It pretty much puts you into a situation which you need to hack. Like there's first one, the one I'm going to start doing is the casino one, where you hack the casino. That's a beginner one. And then there's Hades, which is a very advanced one, which I'm hoping to get to maybe this summer. But it depends on your skill level. I doubt if you're good at hacking, you would be watching this video, but who knows. Ubuntu is good for many different things. Like I said, Blender, making Unity, lots of different things. It's just nice because you can do what you want with it, and if it breaks, it won't break your real computer. I'll show you how to take a screenshot after this loads. Whatever it is. But we will hopefully it loads soon. Like I said, I have a lot of files, so. Alright, yep, here we are. Mine has loaded. If it hasn't loaded for yours yet, just pause the video. Pretty simple. I'll put in my password, which you put in your password. Here we go. We are in a virtual machine now. Welcome to Ubuntu. Yay! Next. I'm just gonna skip that. If you want to read that, you can. So we will start. We will go here. We go over to your current state machine. Oh, my bad. We're gonna start with a snapshot. So we're gonna take one. This is what I would want. This is what you need to do before we update it. Make sure you update it a lot. Let's just do start. Okay. Take it. As you see, it's going to be taking a snapshot, as you can see right here. Just wait for that to be done. Okay, it did it. Now we're going to go to our... Alright, we're going to start with the update. You're going to go down here to these little dots. Show apps. Software updater. When I click that, it's going to check for updates. Mine may not. Mine may. I'm not sure. I think it will. But we will update it. This is another, it takes a little bit of time. Maybe yours updates a little bit quicker than mine, but for now, either just skip to the end, or just wait. Okay. Okay, install now. Password, just enter your password. It's pretty self-explanatory. Installing updates. Yay. You can, if you want to, you can see some of the code that's going down. I think that's pretty entertaining.
Everything should be saved. I restarted my computer and I fixed it.
I also will be showing you some of the ways you can change it if you wish. Like, you can change your background. I will show you in a second. And we'll make it bigger as well. I'm going to full screen this in a moment right now. I'm going to make this bigger, so it's because I don't like how small this one is. I will just wait until this updates. And then we'll take another scrap. After this, we'll just take another one. After I make it bigger and just make it look better, in my opinion. Alright, here we go. It's installing the updates. Yay! Let's restart now. And it's restarting. Okay. And if this fails, that's why we made a copy. Always make a copy and always update it. Because they put a bunch of updates into this every week. And some can make it more secure, which is better. Okay, here we go. Put in your password again. Alright, we have this here, and we have all the updates. And now I will show you how to make it bigger. Here we are. I'm going to show you how to make your screen look like that and make the settings. Alright, here we go. Let's start now. I figured out what the problem was. I have to click on that, and F. That would make it like that. It's control, like on the right side of your keyboard. You're going to click control, and then you're going to click F to do that. One more time. Alright, now we're going to change the settings. So we're going to click that again. You're going to click this. You're going to go to display, and you're going to go up here. Then you're going to go to 1920 times 1080. 1 second. I will go up to find that. This one right here. It's a few up from that. It's 1120 and 1080. this is what you want to click, and you're going to click apply. Key changes. There we go. That's better. Now you have all this screen. So much nicer. And then you have all your different stuff. Like you have your file machines. Because it was there originally. You can move that wherever you want. But that's pretty much it. And you can just control F to go back to have all your stuff up here. And right now, I'm going to show you how to change your background. One of my favorite things. Simply, you're going to right click on your mouse, change background. There's a few backgrounds to pick from, like you can do dark, which I like the best in my opinion. Dark looks pretty nice. You can pick from all of these, like this one, this one, this one, this one. Lots of cool different ones. Me personally, I like this one the best. You could also do like some other colors, like this. Whatever you want to do. Like to see if it's green now, it's green. That's not really that big of anything. You can also add stuff. You just gotta look on the internet. Like I'll show you real quickly. We can just go to Firefox real quickly. Firefox. This is like the Google. If you didn't know that, just go to some cool images. Cool background. I like this one. Save image as. We're gonna go to downloads. I'll make some of my files here after, but this isn't my main one, so I probably won't. I just put in the downloads. That will be downloaded. Go to change background one more time. I'm gonna go add picture and downloads. We want to click on that and open. Click that. You got your pretty snazzy new backgrounds. Thank you for watching my video. I'm K-Demag, and I'm signing off. I hope this video was up to your standards, and I hope it helped. Thank you, K-Demag.